Birds are remarkable creatures with diverse adaptations and behaviors. They're the only animals with feathers, which serve purposes like insulation in flight. Over 10,000 bird species exist worldwide, from tiny hummingbirds to massive ostriches. Birds' hollow bones aid in flying by reducing weight, and their keen eyesight allows for precise navigation. Many birds migrate great distances, like the Arctic tern, which flies up to 44,000 miles round trip yearly. Birds exhibit complex courtship rituals and songs, often unique to their species. The peregrine falcon holds the title for the fastest animal, diving at speeds up to 240 mph. Remarkably, some birds can even mimic human speech, such as parrots and mynas.